We now have a short statement from Nadine Dorris, the Health Minister, saying, "I can confirm I've tested positive for coronavirus. As soon as I was informed, I took all the advised precautions and have been self-isolating at home. Public Health England has started detailed contact tracing, and the department and my parliamentary office are closely following their advice. I would like to thank Public Health England and the wonderful NHS staff who have provided me with advice and support." But as your guests have said, Anna, Nadine Dorris as a Health Minister is a key figure in the response to this crisis. Questions, of course, will be asked now about the safety of others in the Department of Health and parliamentarians too. And maybe at the COBRA meeting we're expecting tomorrow, there may be discussions of different measures to ensure there isn't a further spread of the coronavirus around this key group of people who are trying to, one, respond and lead the effort to respond to the spread of the virus, but also those holding our parliamentarians and our ministers to account.
Well, indeed, and it poses all sorts of questions, doesn't it? Given that politicians, as our guests were saying just now, do their business in close proximity to each other.
They certainly do. 650 MPs coming from across the country. You would wonder at the end of this week if other parliamentarians perhaps have picked up this virus, quite how far this could all spread. And, of course, what happens to the Prime Minister too, of course, because Nadine Dorris was with him at that International Women's Day event. What precautions are there in number 10 for the people in charge of the whole country to ensure they are not incapacitated and taken out of leading all of this at such a key time in the effort?